Hello everyone and welcome to the General Knowledge and Current Affairs fifth video. Okay, so the next question again is around guessing the brand logos, old or new. This is the incomplete logo. Now, in the ideal case, you need to look at the logo before I even show you guys the options, because if you can guess it before that, it'll be even better. Now, if at all you come across an incomplete logo that you have absolutely no clue about, this is how you should approach these questions. First and foremost, look at the logo and try to come up with individual elements, right? So if I were to look at it, I know that there's a shoe associated in this logo. Now I look at the options and try to eliminate a few. We have four options: Goodyear, Reebok, Amazon, and Yellow Pages. Now, if I were in your place, the first option that I would eliminate is Yellow Pages. Second, I'll eliminate is Amazon, right? Between Goodyear and Reebok is the bargain, and we'll have to just choose one if at all you really want to answer this question. Or if you're absolutely clueless, you can, just go ahead and try and choose one between of both of these options, because it's still a greater probability that you'll get it right. Correct answer in this case is Goodyear. Okay, now Goodyear Tire and Rubber Company is an American multinational tire manufacturing company founded in 1898 by Frank Seiberling and based in Akron, Ohio. All right, so at least through this, you know how you can eliminate some answer options. Let's move on to the next question. From the options given below, who is recently appointed as the chief selector in national men's cricket team? We have four options: Sunil Gavaskar, Kapil Dev, Chetan Sharma, and Harbhajan Singh. The correct answer is Chetan Sharma. Who is Chetan Sharma? Now, he's a former India pacer, Chetan Sharma, and he's been appointed as the chief selector of the national men's cricket team. All right, let's move on to the next question. Okay, another currency and country question. Lek is the currency of which of the following countries? You have Ethiopia, Albania, Cambodia, and Kenya as your options. The correct answer in this case is Albania. Lek is the currency of Albania. Let's move on to the next question. Okay. Who is the brand ambassador for 50th year celebrations of Arunachal Pradesh? All right. 50th year celebrations of Arunachal Pradesh. Who is the brand ambassador? We have four options: Sanjay Dutt, Juhi Chawla, Sonu Sood, and Pankaj Tripathi. Correct answer in this case is Sanjay Dutt. The Arunachal Pradesh government has signed Bollywood actor Sanjay Dutt as the brand ambassador and award-winning filmmaker, branding expert Rahul Mitra as brand advisor of the occasion of their Golden Jubilee celebrations, which is your 50th year celebrations. Let's move on to the next question. Okay, who was crowned the Miss Universe 2021? We have four options and it's very much in the news right now, so you guys need to get this one right. You have options of Manushi Chillar, Harnas Sandhu, Harpreet Singh, and none of the above. Correct answer is Harnas Sandhu. Right? How old is she? She's 21 years, and after Lara Datta, she's won the title of Miss Universe. Harnas Sandhu from India has become the new Miss Universe 2021 on 12th of December. Right? Let's move on to the next question. Which of the following is a book written by Jokha Altharti? Right, so this is the author's name, that is Jokha Altharti, and we have four options: Politics of Opportunism, Celestial Bodies, On the Run, and Warriors on Ground. Correct answer in this case is answer option B, that is Celestial Bodies. Jokha Altharti is the first Omani woman to have a novel translated into English, and Celestial Bodies is the first book translated from Arabic. All right, let's move on to the next question. Okay, where is the head office of Samsung located? Now, guys, remember that the questions in your exams may not be around international organizations and headquarters alone. It could be about big MNCs and their head offices. All right, so you need to know Samsung belongs to which country. originally. All right. So we have options of South Korea, London, China, and USA. The correct answer in this case is South Korea. I don't know how many of you were already aware of this. Few people have mistaken Samsung to be like a Chinese company, but the head office is based out of South Korea. All right. The Samsung Group, or simply Samsung, is a South Korean multinational manufacturing conglomerate headquartered in Samsung Town, Seoul. All right. Let's move on to the next question. Okay. Which among the following has been inscribed in the UNESCO list of intangible cultural heritage of humanity? Intangible cultural heritage of humanity. Let's look at the answer options. Baisakhi, Durga Puja, Onam, and Lohri. Correct answer in this case is answer option B, that is Durga Puja. Durga Puja in Kolkata has been included by UNESCO in its representative list of intangible cultural heritage of humanity. It is now among the 14 Indian elements on the ICH list. Right? Let's move on to the next question. Okay. The question states, who is the current CEO for Canon India? All right. So we have four options: Manabu Yamazaki, David Bucker, Peter Drucker, and Peter Staley. The correct answer in this case is answer option A, that is Manabu Yamazaki. The global leader in imaging technologies today announced the appointment of Mr. Manabu Yamazaki as the new president and CEO for Canon India, effective 1st of April 2021. Right, let's get started with the next question. Okay, the tagline "Flowers Anywhere, Anytime" is associated with which of the following brands? The tagline is "Flowers Anywhere, Anytime." We have four options: Ferns and Petals, Flowers for You, Ferns and Petals, and none of the above. Correct answer in this case is Ferns and Petals. Ferns and Petals is India's largest flower and gifts retailer and one of the largest flower retailers in the world, with a network of 320 plus outlets across 120 cities. It was started by Vikas Kotaya in 1994. Right? Let's move on to the next question. Guess the brand from the incomplete or old logo. This is the logo. You guys have been using this brand very often in your college days, etc. So you guys need to pause this video at this point of time and try and attempt this question without options. Now let's look at the answer options. Lycos, Wikipedia, Wine, and Netscape. The correct answer, I hope you guys have got it, is Wikipedia. Right, now Wikipedia was launched on 15th of January 2001 by Jimmy Wales and Larry Sanger. Sanger coined its name as a blending of wiki and encyclopedia. Right, let's move on to the next question. With which of the following sports is Manika Batra associated? So Manika Batra is a personality. You need to choose the sport that she is associated with from the options. We have four options: table tennis, Formula One, tennis, and football. Correct answer in this case is answer option A, which is table tennis. 25-year-old Manika Batra defeated Reet Rishya to win the 82nd Senior National Table Tennis Championship. Right? Let's move on to the next question. What is the currency of Andorra? This is the name of the country and we need to choose the currency from the options: Euro, pound, dollar, none of the above. Correct answer in this case is Euro. Euro is the currency of Andorra. Yes. Go ahead and look at the video again if need be, or maintain your notes to ensure that you have a good database of GK questions prepared for your exams. All the very best.